Yes. Yesterday's class we have completed up to question number 14 from exercise 17a. Look at question number 15. It says Tina has 4 books, each measuring 22 centimeter in length and 18 centimeter in breadth. She places them along the length, keeping side by side. Length of book number 15. Length of book is 22 centimeter and the breadth of book is 18 centimeter. Number of books is equal to 4. Now she is keeping the book along its length. Is it? Just example, these are the 4 books. She is keeping along the length. So this is 22 centimeter, this is 22 centimeter, this is 22 centimeter and this is 22 centimeter. But the breadth remain as it is it? If the books are kept along length, so the length of the rectangle form that is increased. So the length will be, so length is equal to 22 into 4 centimeter, 88 centimeter. But breadth remain as it is, isn't it? You can see the breadth is 18 centimeter only. So what would be the perimeter? 88, 2 into 88 plus 18 centimeter. 2 into 106 centimeter, or this is 212 centimeter. If she keeps the books along breadth, so what will be then? Breadth will increase. So the breadth would be 4 into 18 centimeter or 72 centimeter. So the perimeter would be 2 into 72 plus 22 centimeter. 2 into 94 centimeter. 188 centimeter. This is question number 15. Please write it. Next question we have. A park is in the shape of regular decagon. You know the decagon means a polygon with 10 sides. Each side is 51 meter. Find the perimeter of park. So decagon means 10 side. We'll be multiplying with 10. Then afterward they have asked you find the cost of fencing at a rate of rupees 41.30. So we'll just multiply the perimeter with 41.3. Is it? Question number 16. Park is in the form of regular decagon. Each side is 51 meter. So the perimeter of the park would be 51 into 10 meter. 510 meter. Is it? Cost of fencing at rupees 41.3 per meter is equal to 510 into rupees 41.3. I will have not written 0, does not matter. So when you multiply, you will get rupees 21063 will be the cost. 17 it says the perimeter of triangle having sides is 4 times the perimeter of square. Determine the side of square. Sides of triangle are 113 centimeter, 127.5 centimeter and 119.5 centimeter. So the perimeter of triangle would be 113 plus 127.5 plus 119.5 centimeter. So when we add, we get it 360 centimeter. According to the question, it says perimeter of square is 4 times the triangle's perimeter is 4 times the perimeter of square. So perimeter of square into 4 will be the perimeter of triangle. According to the question, we get it. So the perimeter of square would be 360 centimeter by 4 or 90 centimeter. So that's what side of square is. We'll just divide 90 centimeter by 4, then that is 22.5 centimeter is the side of a square. Here they have asked you to find the side of square. So the side of square will be 22.5 centimeter. It was for question number 17. Look at question number 18 now. 18.1 I will be doing. 18b you have to do. You have learned Pythagoras theorem, is it? Now here you have given the length and the diagonal. So the breadth you have to find, and once the breadth is found, you have to find the perimeter of a triangle. 18.1. A rectangle's length is given, that is 9 centimeter, and the diagonal is given. No, sorry, this is 8 centimeter. And the diagonal is 10 centimeter given. We know this angle is 90 degree. Is it? A, B, C, D. So we'll write in the length of rectangle 8 centimeter, diagonal of rectangle 10 centimeter. So in triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degree. AC is equal to 10 centimeter and BC is equal to 8 centimeter. So we have learned in Pythagoras theorem how to find AB, is it? So AB is equal to, may I write it, AC square minus BC square. This you have learned in Pythagoras theorem. Now we'll be just finding it. 10 centimeter whole square minus 8 centimeter whole square, or it gives you 100 centimeter square minus 64 centimeter square, or this is 36 centimeter square under root, or you get it 6 centimeter. So the breadth you have got 6 centimeter, is it? So the perimeter they have asked you to find. So perimeter of rectangle is 2 into L plus B, or 2 into L we have 8 centimeter, B we have got 6 centimeter, or it is 2 into 14 centimeter or 28 centimeter is the perimeter of rectangle we found. Is it? 18.2 you have to do. I am not going to do it. Is 18.2 is a homework. Look at question number 19. Ratio between the sides of square. Is equal to 7:13. Is it? Let the magnitude be x. So sides would be, sides are 7x and 13x respectively. So that's what perimeters are. What will what? 7x into 4 and 13x into 4. This would be the perimeters. because square's perimeter is 4 into side. Now, once we have the perimeter, what would be the ratio? We can find it. So, ratio between the perimeters 7x into 4 by 13x into 4, 4 cancels, 13x cancelled. So perimeter also would be 7:13 only, is it? Question number 20 is the same as question number 18:1. You have given length and diagonal. You have to find the perimeter. So 20 is also homework. I am not going to do. Look at question number 21. The cost of fencing a square field at a rate of 72 per meter is rupees 40,320. Question number 21. Total cost of fencing the field $40,320. Cost of fencing 1 meter is rupees 72. Now total you have spent 25 rupees and cost of one packet of kurkure is 5 rupees. How many packets you can buy? 25 divided by 5. So same thing, fencing 1 meter, the cost is 72. So how many meters are fenced with this rupees? We'll find. So the length fenced will be rupees 40320 by rupees 72. So when we divide, we'll get 560 meter. So this is the perimeter of the square field. So perimeter of square field is equal to 560 meter. So the side of field (560 by 4 meter) or 140 meter. This is question number 21. Question number 22 is the same as question number 21. You have to get the perimeter. So 31,360 would be divided by 49. Once the perimeter is found, that is equal to the perimeter of rectangle whose ratios are whose length and breadth are in the ratio of 3:2. So for today you have homeworks. So many things it is done in the class. So we have homeworks 18 to 20 and 22. So next day's video you will get area. If there is a doubt, you can ask me in comment box. Thank you, dears.